Okay, hello, my name is Sohan. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of a Monsuno, and the Monsuno's name is Spikelash, and you can see here, this could spin, and you can see some cards, and here's the monster. So now we'll take a good look at the front. So now we'll take a good look at the back. Here's how you have to put the Monsuno in. This shows a diagram of how to battle. And here's some more Monsunos that you can collect. And their names are Charger, Driftblade, Moonfire, and Spikelash, which we're doing now. And these are as for here accessories: a clip stock, a wild core, a multi-launcher, and a strike launcher. So I think that's it for the back. Now let's tear it open. Okay, so we're back with the Monsuno. So here you have Spikelash. He is a Monsuno from his controller is Mr. Black, and his manufacturer is Eclipse Organization. Element is Kimberlite, and his special attack is Underground Ambush. You can see he has a really nice core, a little lock symbol here, and you can see his mouth can close. So now, first you need to shut his and his icon is located on his chin, and it says his icon is 10. So now let's close him up. Okay, so now let's close him up. First, put the legs in like that. First fold them and stretch him. Next, put his head like that. Close him. Oh yeah, there's something wrong. So then first close that rear tip, and then let me look at these instructions. We'll show how to close him. We are to give you here are the instructions. So it doesn't give you how to put it in. So let me just try. Let's put this guy in. Okay, so here we have him, and now he's ready to go into his core. So now you can see and lock him up. So he has a really nice core. Okay, and a little symbol here that shows Eclipse. And just little bit dots and a three-headed spear kind of thing. So now let's move on to the cards. Here we have heads string. It has 2 launch and the speed is 8. Next we have a Spikelash, and he has 140 hit points, and here's the picture. 5 launch and speed is 1. And then here we have a special attack, underground ambush. It's a special upgrade. So that's it for the cards. And now we'll launch him from here. First, before launching, make sure to unlock him. And now launch. And he pops out like that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. And I might be... Okay, never mind. Thanks for watching. Maybe I might do another one. So, bye guys.